What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. So in this video, we need to talk about crypto.com and the fact that their exchange is now being offered to the US, which is something that hasn't happened before. People were able to do it based on just going through a VPN and all that, but that wasn't the most secure thing. But now it's being offered to US users, people that, have the app and decided they wanted to go on the exchange. If you haven't noticed, you can never go on the exchange on your computer. You can really go on the app, and that's the only place that you can go. So we are seeing this, and we will get into the details here and take a look at Cronos's price, CRO's price and everything like that. So before we get started, make sure you guys hit that like button. Also hit that subscribe button for more videos like this one, and make sure you check out some of the links down below. It does help out the channel. Feel free to follow me on Twitter at Perry8K. We have some updates to CRO, some updates to Shiba Inu, some updates to whatever I'm doing, all of that stuff. So feel free to follow me over on that platform. And let's go ahead and dive into this. So if you haven't seen on Twitter, if you're not following crypto.com on Twitter, a couple of days ago, they announced that the crypto.com exchange is now in the US, and it's for a select group of people. So this is obviously good. If you want to be able to trade on your computer, you want to be able to, go through everything that you can go through with staking and, trading and putting things back and forth and all that other type of stuff that you want to do in an exchange, things that you do in like Coinbase, Coinbase Pro, Gate.io, LBank, whatever the platform you're a part of, you're able to do all of this over there. But crypto.com, you can only really do it from your device, whatever that device is. And I was a little upset with that because I want to be able to show people my positions and what I'm holding and, how much I invested and all that other type of stuff, because I like to be as transparent as possible, and I couldn't do that. So I'm really happy to see that we do have crypto.com available, the exchange, at least in the US. Now, it's not something where I actually have access to it yet, because it's only for a select group of people right now, and then we'll start to roll out more and more as time goes on. But we'll see how that does happen. So let's go ahead and look at this article here. So this article really highlights the fact that it has been rolled out to the US. This was on March 15th. So yesterday, crypto.com rolls out its exchange platform in the US, in the United States. In an announcement, crypto.com mentioned that its exchange platform is already available to users who are waitlisted and will be available to more users soon. So this is what I was saying. People that were waitlisted could get access to it, or some people could get access to it. I am waitlisted. I still don't have access to it, but it will come as time goes on, and I hope that I will be able to get access to it soon. I've seen a couple of people that have been waitlisted for it and have had access to it already, and I'm just excited to see, what I can get with it and all the things that, I may be able to do, how different it is, how it looks compared to, the app. And I believe you can actually get on there. You just can't trade with it or do anything that you wanted to do there. So you can actually see the how it sort of looks. Currently, the trading platform can only be used by select institutional investors. However, in the next few months, the exchange will be offering its services to more investors who want to trade using crypto.com. The exchange is also inviting institutional investors based in the United States to join their waitlist and use the platform. This is something that, I kind of obviously had mixed feelings about, because I don't really ever like hearing institutional investors have access to do whatever they want, or institutional investors had access first. That's never what I like to hear, because that there's a lot of I would say manipulation in markets, and a lot of control by institutional investors, or hedge funds, or big money, basically. You always see that control, and for them to get access first is never something I really like to hear. However, I still want access to it, because I want to be able to access this on the computer and not just on my phone, because I'm not always on my phone. I'm rarely on my phone, and if I am, I'm usually checking like tweets or something like that. So it's never really checking my investments. It's so much easier to check on the computer, because I can see everything that I want. But we do have that information, and it's supposed to be rolling out to a lot more people as time goes on, as the months go on. But right now, it's really just for people that were waitlisted, institutional investors that are waitlisted, and also rolling out to individuals that select to be on the wait list. Now you can select to be on the wait list now if you go over to the website and go to sign up and all of that, and up at the top right corner it will say join the wait list. You join the wait list with your email and all that. They'll let you know exactly when you can get that invitation. But let's look at CRO's price, because right now, we do see cryptocurrency that is making a positive move. So I expect to see Cronos make a positive move as well. Because of this great news that we have seen over the last day, I ended up buying more at 37 cents. So I'm glad that I did, because it went up to 40 cents, increasing by 3 cents. Increasing 4% today is definitely good. Seeing it back up to that $10 billion market cap, which is, I think, nowhere near. It's just really scratching the surface of where this can actually go. I can see a 10x return in this position. And that's why I'm really hype around CRO. I did do a bunch of videos talking about where the potential is, where some people think the potential will be at the end of 2022. What I believe the potential will be at the end of 2022, where people think the max value will be, throughout the lifetime or, of this position, and where it will get to. And I have one of those predictions as well. But you can see here the circulating supply is 25.26 billion CRO. And you can see the max supply is 30 billion CRO. What somebody pointed out to me today, another point that someone pointed out to me today, is if we go into CRO's Etherscan, right? And it may not be completely updated. I mean, it is on a completely different network, so it might not have a way of communicating there. But when you look at the Etherscan and you go through you go through the holders, you're going to see that the top address is a dead wallet at 76%. Well, 76% of 100 billion, you're looking at 76 billion. What's left after you have 76 billion? It should be 24 billion. Probably 23.8 billion is what should be left, or 23.7 billion is what should be left, right? However, that's not the case. We're looking at 25 in circulating supply, and we're looking at 30 in a total supply, but 76 is in the dead wallet. So I'm not really understanding or following where, like how this is updated, because we're seeing coins go into the dead wallet, but we're not seeing that updated on coin market cap. And maybe it's updated somewhere else and you guys have a better visual on this, but what I'm seeing is 25.26 CRO in circulating supply, which is 83% of the supply, which technically it should be 100% of the supply, over 100% of the supply, because 23 or 24, 23 billion should be the number here. So you let me know what you're thinking about that. Let me know what you think about the US, being able to drop crypto.com on all of us. In due time, it'll be on all of us. Let me know what you think about that. Make sure you guys hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. I appreciate you guys for watching, but I'm going to get out of here and I'll catch you in the next one.